Have you ever wondered how money went from paper and coins to just numbers glowing on your phone screen? Why everyone is suddenly talking about like crypto and a stalwart blockchain? Or how something like mortgage rates can actually affect your investments? Today, I'll explain all of that clearly, step by step, with real examples and zero jargon. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the financial world truly works in 2025. What is cryptocurrency? Let's start simple. Cryptocurrency is digital money not printed by a bank and not controlled by any government. The best known examples are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. When you send Bitcoin to someone, there's no bank in the middle. The transaction goes directly from you to them, and it's recorded on a public, transparent system called blockchain. Think of it like this. Imagine a shared notebook that everyone in the world can see, but no one can erase or cheat. Every time someone sends crypto, it's written permanently in that notebook. That's why people trust blockchain. It's open, secure, and can't be faked. What is blockchain? It's a new kind of technology that can store any information safely. For example, banks use it to track transactions. Shipping companies use it to trace where a product came from. Even hospitals are testing it to protect medical records. In simple terms, blockchain equals security plus transparency plus speed. It's like the Internet of money, the invisible system that makes everything run. Understanding the stock market. Next, let's talk about the stock market where people buy pieces of companies. When you buy a share of Apple, Tesla, or Amazon, you actually own a tiny part of that company. If the company grows, your investment grows too. Here's an example. If you had invested just $1,000 in Apple in 2010, you'd have more than $15,000 today. But now, something fascinating is happening. Stocks and blockchain are starting to merge. Some companies are creating tokenized stocks, which are digital versions of real shares, stored and traded on blockchain. That means in the future, you might buy Apple shares not on the traditional stock exchange, but directly through a blockchain app on your phone. How mortgage rates affect everything. Now you might be thinking, what do hot mortgage rates have to do with crypto or stocks? Here's the connection. When interest rates rise, borrowing money becomes more expensive, so people buy fewer houses, invest less, and stock prices often go down. When interest rates drop, money flows back into the market, stocks go up, real estate becomes more affordable, and even Bitcoin tends to rise because investors are looking for better returns. So when you hear in the news that the Federal Reserve is raising or cutting rates, it's not just about banks, it affects your wallet, your investments, and even the global crypto market. How to start investing safely. All right, so how can you start, especially if you're a beginner? 1. Learn the basics. Watch videos, read, and understand before investing. 2. Start small. Even $50 can teach you more than reading for a year. 3. Use trusted platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or eToro. 4. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one coin or stock. 5. Be patient. Markets go up and down, that's normal. Here's a quick example. If you invested $100 in Bitcoin during a crash in 2020, it would have grown to over $600 in less than 2 years. But those who sold early out of fear missed that opportunity. The smartest investors don't chase trends, they stay calm and consistent. Money is changing faster than ever. From digital currencies to AI-driven trading, we're entering a world where technology decides the future of finance. So, if you want to understand it, master it, and profit from it, make sure you stay ahead of the curve. Hit the like button if you learned something new today. Subscribe to this channel for more easy, honest videos about crypto, investing, and financial freedom. And turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Remember, the future of money isn't just digital, it's transparent, global, and already here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.